Good day everyone, it's Greg Meyer from Swiffy and today I'm standing with Casper de Klerk. Ons is hier vandag by die Casper de Klerk Wildveiling en Casper, what an exceptional sale.
Thank you, Greg.
The turnover of the sale, I think you said was the highest you've ever had.
Yeah, in 12 years, yeah.
Yeah, you know, 13.3 million rand turnover. I is nie 'n klein veiling nie.
Yeah.
With what we're expecting now with foot and mouth, and you know, should you have a sale and should you put Buffalo on the sale? You're the man that took the risk, and I think the risk paid off. But Casper, in jou woorde, wat sê jy? Wat dink jy? Wat het uitgestaan vandag?
Thank you, Greg, and thank you for you guys being here and doing a great job. We appreciate that. I think there was 90 odd people online. Greg, the Buffalo is very expensive. I think they went very well. We do see in the industry that over the last couple of years, a lot of people got out of Buffalo. Yeah. And I think, so there's less young bulls coming through. And we saw that today where bulls that should go for about 100 grand goes for 130 and 1 foot. So we're glad about that. And foot and mouth definitely is it's a problem. Yeah. But we are committed to, or at least my company is committed to do whatever we can. Yeah. And we will have all the protocols that they put out there by veterinarian services. We will follow that. And it was an excellent auction. Yeah.
It was. Casper, it was excellent. And like you mentioned, there was 90 people online, you know, and the bidding was strong and was very active. And there's some really fantastic game out there. Casper, ek wil net ook baie dankie sê that you've taken the step forward with us as well.
Thank you.
And we're just grateful that we could have contributed.
Thank you, Greg.
Casper,
thank you very much.